And the first thing you want to do is come over here, 8mm, loosen that up, pull this hose off. Looks like we got 10mm here, and go ahead and take this off. This stuff was off when I got here, so I'm just kind of walking through with you. And then we have your air filter box over here. You got these little clips, you pop them up, and then this will pop out. And then this electrical connector right here, just squeeze, pull it off. And then there was also this guy right down here was clipped into there, and this hose goes to nothing. I'm guessing it's some sort of vent hose. And to take that off, you can take, let's see, something like this, just slip it in behind there and pop it off. And then we'll have this piece out of our way and kind of set it off to the side. And now we will be looking at our tensioner assembly right here. As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best price on parts and tools I use in today's video. And today, I'm going to be showing you what you need to know to replace this belt tensioner pulley. So, we just replaced this bracket back here, but now the pulley. So if your belt is still on the car and you're using the same belt, basically, you can get you a nice big ratchet like this right here, just a 3/8, and you're going to stick it right in there, and then you'll go lefty to loosen it and slip the belt off. And then you're gonna take same kind of ratchet and a 14. Where's my 14? I don't have a shallow 14 out, but take a 14 with a ratchet, and you're gonna get in right here, and that or a wrench. You may need a wrench to fit in here because that's a real tight spot. But basically, you'll just take that one bolt out, and this assembly will come out. You'll just, with your hand, kind of pull it out. You may have to slide the bolt past this fan right here. Oh, sorry, you can't see what I'm talking about. But then you'll be able to pull this assembly up and out of the way right through here. Then just take your new one. There's a hole on the back of this tensioner, okay, and that'll line up, and you can kind of screw it back in. If you want to see this actually done, it is in the part 1 of the Nissan Xterra fan pulley bracket, or fan pulley bracket assembly. You search that video, fan pulley fixbook Xterra, something like that, and you'll be able to find the video part 1 where I take this all the way out. But it's such a simple thing. I just thought I'd make a quick little video showing you it's just a 14mm bolt. You just pull the assembly off, put it back on, tighten it back up. Of course, put your belt back on, and I'll throw up a belt route at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.